Detailed notes of diversity in the living world. Diversity in living organisms. What is diversity? Diversity means the existence of different kinds of living beings like plants, animals, birds, insects, and microorganisms. Our surroundings are filled with organisms of different shapes, sizes, colors, and features. For example, a forest may have tall trees, small herbs, colorful butterflies, ants, birds, each different from the other. Importance of diversity. It helps maintain balance in nature. For example, plants give oxygen, animals give carbon dioxide. It provides food, shelter, and resources to humans and animals. It helps us understand nature and how living things survive in different environments. How to group plants and animals? Why do we group? To make it easier to study the large number of living organisms based on similarities and differences, we can place them in categories. How to group plants based on height and stem? Herbs, small plants with green and soft stems, for example, tomato, spinach. Shrubs, medium sized plants with woody stems branching near the base, for example, rose, hibiscus. Trees, tall plants with thick, hard, and woody trunks. Branches arise high from the main stem, example, mango, neem. Other plant types, climbers, weak stems that need support to grow upward, for example, money plant. Creepers, grow along the ground, for example, pumpkin and watermelon. Based on leaf venation. Venation means the pattern of veins on a leaf. Reticulate venation, net-like pattern of veins in hibiscus and mango. Parallel venation, in veins run side by side in banana, grass, etc. Based on roots, taproot, fibrous root. In taproot, one main thick root with smaller side roots found in dicots, for example, mustard, hibiscus, etc. Fibrous root, cluster of thin roots growing from the base of the stem, found in monocots, for example, grass and wheat. Based on seeds, seeds contain cotyledons, means seed leaves. Dicotyledons, dicots and monocotyledons, monocots. Dicotyledons, two cotyledons. Reticulate venation, taproots. Monocotyledons, one cotyledon. Parallel venation, fibrous roots. For example, chickpea, dicot, maize, monocot. Observation activity. Dicot in chickpea, that means taproot plus reticulate venation. Monocot in maize, that means fibrous root and parallel venation. How to group animals? Animals are grouped based on type of movement and body parts used. Ant walks using legs. Goat walks and jumps using legs. Pigeon flies using wings. Fish swims using fins. Earthworm crawls using body muscles. Other grouping features are body shape and size, habitat, eating habits, external features like fur, scales, wings, tails, etc. Conclusion. Animals show great diversity and must be grouped based on multiple visible and behavioral characteristics. Plants and animals in different surroundings. Habitat. Habitat is the natural place where a plant or animal lives. Provides air, food, water, shelter, and suitable climate for survival. Types of habitats: terrestrial, land, aquatic, water, amphibians, both land and water. Terrestrial, the forest, desert, grasslands, mountains. Aquatic, the ponds, rivers, oceans. Amphibians, frogs. Adaptations. Adaptation means a special feature that helps a plant or animal survive in its habitat. Plant adaptations. Desert, cactus, fleshy stem stores water, no leaves. Mountains, the deodar tree, cone shape, sloping branches for snow. Hills, nilgiris, rhododendron, short height, small leaves. Sikkim, rhododendron, taller with larger leaves. Animal adaptations. Camel, for example. Hot desert in Rajasthan, long legs, wide hooves, one hump. Walks on sand, stores fat. In cold desert Ladakh, shorter legs, two humps, thick fur. Movement on snow, survives cold. Other adaptations of camels are dry dung and small urine output. No sweating, can survive without water for many days. Loss of biodiversity caused by habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and human activities. Examples of endangered animals: Bengal tiger, cheetah, great Indian bustard. Conservation efforts: Project Tiger 1973, Save Bengal tigers. Cheetah reintroduction 2022. Bring back cheetahs. Busted habitats declared protected zones. Famous Indian scientist. Name: Janaki Ammal. Preserved plant diversity, led the Silent Valley movement. Salim Ali, the Birdman of India, studied and conserved bird habitats.